just maybe take a cue from each one of you, the strategies across organization would fairly be similar. I don't think if we were to, let's say, the four pillars, whether you look at organic and inorganic growth, or you just want to lie down for some time, or it's going to be an aggressive revenue ramp up or a cost focused strategy. If these were the pillars, my sense is most organizations are going to adopt a multifaceted approach. I don't think anybody is only looking at one. Uh, the heart of decision making is, I think, common or across. Conservation of capital obviously is going to be there, because at this point of time, cash becomes king for sure. Similarly, if one were to look at the risk management practices across organizations, I think they will change. There will be a combination. So I agree with Naveen also to a certain extent, or to a large extent actually, that the core will obviously have to be protected at all points of time. But you will need outliers to start showing up the true color, just to be able to address. And at times you may not go by the rule book to probably capture an opportunity out there. The digital side actually has been something that each one of you has kind of embraced, and that in fact, if I were to look at the survey we've done, 95% of the people are responding that digital is the way forward. Actually, I was trying to find out who were the 5%, but since we said we'll keep it confidential, we didn't want to find out. But there is a very, very clear shift that is visible, and those last 4 months have actually, and from the traditional organizations as well, I think the way they're embracing the shift towards technology, it's kind of it's very encouraging to see that. So something that any one of you would want to take on that how do you see how is the speed there going to really make a difference, while all of us realize that it's there? And I can see Deepak also coming in. Maybe Deepak, you want to you've been a silent spectator. Just your take on some of the items we've discussed, and your name starts with a D in any case. So let us have you with the last word from us, from the panel here.
No, I think what, like everybody said, while technology is must, but it's not the only solution. I think it is also the people, their skills, the abilities that will help to rebuild the damaged economy in the country. So probably I would say the core is as important as technology is, but yeah, both needs to go hand in hand at this point.